you ready, Eevee? Go! It's a very nice day outside today. Isn't it right? She's gonna be in for a real big surprise in the summer when she tries running along there. Or next month, because we're opening our pool next month. It's nice, isn't it? She's running. Hey, no, you're not allowed that way, ma'am. I'm gonna make sure she doesn't eat anything because she likes eating stuff back here. I just went on a nice walk with her, so that was nice. Hope you guys have a nice day or night on this very beautiful Saturday morning. Bye, guys.